Hello guys, and welcome to another Euro Truck Simulator 2 episode. Now I am back from my holiday, and 1.12.1 the update greeted me. I've also got the new DLC called the High Value Cargo Pack, which in this episode I am going to go through. Now I'm going to go through them both. So there's nothing really changed here except this part. Rather than the credits, it's about. So you can experiment with various truck configurations. Now this means that you'll be able to preview your trucks before you. I'm not buying anything. However, I'll be able to. I don't know. I can preview it. Do I like it? Do I not like it? Oh yeah, and there's something I want to show you, and you can also get trailer browser review the trailers available. Now here is basically you can review the trailers in the game. So if you wanted the glass trailer that's packed glass, you could get a car transporter. You could review that. You could review a flatbed trailer with large tubes, a pressure tank, a reservoir tank, low bed semi-trailers and a ventilation shaft, a gooseneck trailer which carries all these. You know, you could tipper trailer that takes coal, gravel, ore, and sand. This is a very top heavy trailer. But yeah, now rather than review, we're gonna buy. So I'm just gonna. I normally use a Scania, so today I'm gonna use a Volvo. And whilst that's happening, I'm gonna tell you what the High Value Cargo Pack is. Now, the High Value Cargo Pack basically introduces lots of new trailers, kind of to do with construction. So let's choose the sleeper. We'll make the truck XL 6x4 600. Will do the job for me. It's exclusive. That yellow bit, that yellow bit kind of, it's all right. We're gonna go to the paint shop. Chrome. We can have chrome. Personally, I'm not gonna have this color because this color is horrible. It's not. I wouldn't prefer it. So let's make this truck, and then I'm gonna show you what you can do with it, and what the new paint jobs are. Now there are new paint jobs. I was meant to keep it in and I just couldn't. However, there are new paint jobs. I might do the 2D one simply because it looks marked. Now these new paint jobs are to do with construction and are quite nice. However, the colours are also customizable, so that's always a good thing to know. Absolute Fury, Absolute Fury, and Absolute Fury. I love these wheels. The red part I'm not so fond about, but oh well. I have taken my trailer mods off. What? Does that look nice? Come on then, confirm. Purchase. Right. Okay, now we're gonna get out and drive it. So let's go. And we're just gonna head over to the paint shop. Now there are 3 new skins, and here they are. So you have 1, 2, and 3. You have a heavy duty universal, which is kind of nice. They're not all the same. You have a heavy, can you see that changes, this changes, and then you have a heavy duty construction, which is nice. It's very nice, it's very construction, and I like this part here. And then we have a heavy duty posh, which is the most expensive of the trial. And yeah, now you can also customize it, so let's go. So come on then, let's customize it. Which one should we customize? Okay, I'm gonna start to customize this. Right, rather than blue, I might choose like a, oh god, I want to start again. Right, right, we'll go into that later. Should we do like a, personally, I'm actually gonna make it so it's quite bright, you know, you can see it. Oh god, the yellow's a bit tough. At the bottom I might have yellow and black, so I might go for like a bright red, a bright blue, and then at the bottom I might go for like a black and maybe a yellow. However, I want this to be a bit more greenish. Or yeah, I might go for yellow. Actually, yeah, that looks a bit better. Yeah, I might go for a yellow and black truck. That's really bright. I don't normally go for bright colours. However, today we will. Okay. Now, once you get this, you will need to sleep, because you wanna go through the jobs. So I'm gonna make it day. I can't stand during the night time. Right, it's 11 o'clock, nice time. The jobs will have flown through, and with you and your wonderful truck in yellow and black, you and your wonderful truck will be able to go out. So we go into the freight market, and you all can already see that you can filter, so you can have liquid trailers. So all these are carrying some sort of liquids. You can have bulk cargo. You can go for construction, which is here. You can go for fragile, liquid, refrigerated. Oh god, yeah, refrigerated containers. These are all containers. You can go for an ADR, and you can go for machinery. So there's one of the new ones, air conditioners, digger, the helicopter for free. You know, this is where you'll probably find some of the new ones. Digger 500, that's already in here. So you've already seen two. You can see the tracks. Yeah, now I'm just gonna show you a preview of what they all look like now. So this is the helicopter. This is the driller. This is the yacht. This is the air conditioners. These are the tracks. These are the gas pipeline parts. And this is the tractor. Okay, so now we've gone through that, and I've given you a preview. We can now go and pick up a job from London. So from London we have these two here, none of which are useful. So none of which I can see that are brand new. You will have to wait a bit. At tractors, there you go. Okay, so I am gonna come back after I have found a job, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have found a driller D50 which is 8 tons, and we are going to take it from London to Dortmund. So this is one of the new trailers, and we're going to go and collect it. Now it's night time. It's taken me quite a while to look for one, simply because you have to let the jobs flow by. And yeah, so I'm back from holiday and I am good. I've also done a quick change to my skin, so it looks a bit different, because that yellow I just could not stand with, to be honest. You put the high beam on to blind the AI, because they need to be blinded. And yeah, so I'm going the wrong way. So I'm sat at these traffic lights. Oh my god. Right, well, come on then. Let's pick up a driller, I think. And we're gonna be going from the Renault truck, idiot. We're gonna be going from London, because that's where I am. So, what have you guys been doing? And now, what have you guys been doing whilst I've been here, away? Post in the comments. How have your holidays been? Anyway. Oh no, my job has gone. I'm gonna have to take a my job's gone. Some guy's taken it. Yep. Oh well then, I shall see you back after I've found one. So yeah, prices for this may vary. I got it for £3.99 UK pounds. Driller D50, 8 tons, and it's the middle one. Oh, now there are some really high trailers. You can get a yacht, which is pretty mad. Now we're just gonna pull over here. And have a look at it, because wow, am I amazed. Of course I'm amazed. Look at this beast. A driller D50. I would have ever thought. I'm actually going to get the angle a bit better. I'm just going to do this. Always helps. Driller D50. Yeah, actually what I'm gonna do is this. I want the whole paint job in. I want a better view. I want to give you guys a screenshot. Wow. Anyway, let's go. Coming in, reversing, and let's go. So basically It's just a neat piece of kit. I'm also going to put my beacons on. Nice! Okay, well, this is it for the 1.12 excuse me. This is it for the 1.12.1 update. And I hope you enjoy it. I mean, that truck preview thing, that'll come in handy. A truck browser, a trailer browser. You can have a look at what trailers, logging trailer, logs, lumber, iron pipes. Anyway, guys, I will probably finish off the job, and I shall see you next episode. Thank you for watching Bilbo Baggins.